presentation and a console introduction as well, and along
Yes, ma'am.
with their query as well. I'm not sure whether you were people were added in that session or not. But if you want me to go through the presentation again, I can do that. Okay. Later on, the first thing that you asked me about the licensing, I can explain you how the licensing works, but about the pricing, I'm not the right person. Okay. Regarding the commercials, I cannot tell you anything.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
So the licensing part of the PRTG is based on a census. You might have an idea about that. So the how
Yeah.
the census is getting calculated per device, we just get a logic idea that the one device may use the maximum sensor count is that 10, 10 to 12. Okay, it may vary device to device. But if you would like to calculate the license, then you can consider that each device may consume maximum 10 sensors. Okay, now how the licensing will pitch out to the customer. If the customer having a 50 devices, 50, okay, so which edition, PRDG edition need to be suggest them. So you can directly calculate like 50 device count into 10 sensors. It would be a 500 sensors. So you can pitch them, you
Okay.
can suggest them to go for a 500 sensors license.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am, there was a question. For example, if we do not consider devices and we start considering applications present in the devices,
Mm-hmm.
applications or
Yeah.
databases present in the devices, then how would be the sensors be counted? Like, for example, we have four servers connected in form of a cluster.
Mm-hmm.
So, will
Okay.
it be a single sensor or four different sensors?
Obviously, four different sensors. Again, the
Okay.
same parameter. What parameters the customer would like to monitor? Okay. The application. Okay. Suppose like he is using a email server. Okay. So in an email server, he would like to monitor a performance of that service, up and down status of that service. Isn't it utilization of not the whole server, but that service, specific service, isn't it?
Okay.
So that comes under a single sensor. So each parameter will consume a dedicated sensor. So we have to take this information from a customer side that what parameters they would like to monitor for those servers. And on that
Okay.
basis, we can calculate the sensor count. And roughly, if he doesn't give any kind of information, he himself not having any idea that what he's going to monitor. Maybe in near future he will understand. Okay. And he's giving you roughly idea. I do have 50, 100 devices. Then you can directly do into 10. But if he's giving you a proper idea that what parameters he would like to monitor, so you can directly calculate that he would like to monitor five parameters, five objects, then he will require the five sensors like that.
Okay.
Okay. And it may vary device to device. Like they would like to monitor a network devices firewall. They're having a firewall. The firewall will have a 24 physical ports, isn't it? Interfaces.
Mm-hmm.
It may vary. They might have a 48 physical port
Yeah.
firewall as well, isn't it? But they are not using all the 48 interfaces, isn't it? They might be
Mm.
using only
Correct.
12 or 15. Okay. So each physical interface will consume a single sensor. 15
Okay.
active sensors, then 15 sensors will be required. Along with that, they may require to monitor performance as well, firewall performance, availability, using a ping, okay, whether the firewall reach हो भी आ रहा है यानी up है भी या नहीं, isn't it? देन उसके बाद वो सीपीयू मॉनिटर कर सकते हैं, देन मेमोरी यूटिलाइजेशन मॉनिटर कर सकते हैं, देन दे विल रिक्वायर्ड more sensors. It means 15 physical interface plus 3 to 4 more sensors. So you can consider that firewall, one single firewall consume 20 sensors, maximum 20 21 sensors. Like that way, we
Okay.
have to calculate. We have to take a time from a customer that give us at least 1 or 2 days to calculate a proper sensor count, and then we will revert back you. Or
Okay.
they are requiring a basic idea, then you can directly do into 10, okay, to the device count
Mm-hmm.
and give a count like that way. And even may it may switch. Suppose they are not monitoring now 15 interfaces, they might be monitoring 10 interface now. After a few days they may require more sensors, 15. Later on more interfaces got activated, isn't it? So day by day it may increase as well. So we cannot give a specific correct sensor count right now. Okay.
Okay.
So it may vary. Or the same way they can reduce it as well, isn't it? So they are using now 20, they might be using a 15 later on. They have removed some of the physical interfaces or they got damaged. They are not using right now. So it may get reduced as well. And those sensors can be utilized in another devices as well. They can remove and
Okay.
reuse to the another devices. That is possible.
Okay, ma'am.
Any other query?
Ma'am, one more thing I had to ask, like for example, if we buy the licenses for 500 sensors
Mm-hmm.
and we have five different customers, like so can we segregate like 100 sensors to each customer, or we have to buy separate licensing for everybody?
Uh, you can do in both way, but see,
Okay.
like you are going to manage the devices from your side, isn't it? You have five
Yeah.
customers and you are the person who is going to manage or monitor their devices, isn't it? So in the case, you have to make sure that all the devices are connected to the PRTG core server. There should be a connectivity.
Mm-hmm.
That's very important. So now how you are going to manage that five customers, their infrastructure, their location, how that's going to connect to the single PRTG server. Or you can go for a cloud-based PRTG as well. So your monitoring will be very easy in that case. In your scenario, yes, that is possible. Okay, so 100 sensors you can utilize for the another customer, 100 for the another customer. Yes, that is possible. You can do that. Okay,
Okay.
but in on-premise solution, if you go for a on-premise, because not all the customers will go for a cloud-based PRTG. Maybe their compliance for a security reason, they will
Mm-hmm.
not choose for the cloud-based. But all the customers or whatever, out of five, three customers are ready to go for a cloud-based. Then you can do that. Okay. And for cloud-based, that is also possible, but you have to make sure all the devices of a customer are connecting to the PRTG core server. Somehow using a firewall or using a internet, the connectivity
Yeah.
need to be done by their network team. That's not our task.
Okay. That is for the on-premises solutions opting
Hmm.
customers.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And I
And for
will
cloud,
just
it is easier. Like we just have to connect it to the PRTG monitoring
uh,
and it will run.
yes, let me share my
Okay.
screen with you. How it's going to
Sure.
work. I will showcase you. You are the technical person who is going to work on a PRTG.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So let me share my screen. I hope you are able to see my screen.
Yes, it's visible.
Okay, now see. So this is the hosted PRTG. I have explained both the scenarios in a single PPT actually. One of my customer required that. So this is the local probe. If the customer wants to go for a on-premise solution, okay. So these are the directly connected devices. Gateway, firewall, router, switches. So those are going to communicate with the local probe directly. So it's very easy. It's a simple infrastructure. Okay. Now, what about if the customer wants to go for a hosted PRTG? Now, this gateway firewall router will have a private IP, isn't it? तो वो out of network communicate नहीं कर सकते, private IP बाहर बात नहीं कर सकता, isn't it? वो सिर्फ LAN में ही
Hmm.
बात कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? तो उसके लिए क्या करना होगा? होस्टेड पीआरटीजी के लिए सपोज ये जो लोकल ब्रांच है, सपोज ये आप यू आर फ्रॉम दिल्ली, ऑल द पीपल आर, isn't it? आप
Hmm.
दिल्ली से हो, जस्ट एग्जाम्पल पूछ रही हूँ, ठीक है, लेट्स अज्यूम यू
Mm-hmm.
आर फ्रॉम दिल्ली। तो ये दिल्ली है, ठीक है, तो दिल्ली के जो डिवाइसेस है आपको मॉनिटर करने हैं, ठीक है। तो वी हैव वन कंपोनेंट दैट इज कॉल्ड लोकल प्रोब। ओके, सो यू हैव टू इंस्टॉल अ लोकल प्रोब on one of the windows machine, windows or linux machine from the of your premises, okay, offline premises जो होता है आपका, ठीक है, उसमें एक आपको कंपोनेंट एजेंट इंस्टॉल करना पड़ेगा विच विल टॉक टू द होस्टेड पीआरटीजी। उसमें ऑलरेडी सेटिंग होती है कि उसको कहाँ पे कनेक्ट होना है। ओके, so
Mm-hmm.
this component or agent, you can say that the local probe will collect all the information from your gateway, firewall, router, so whatever the device is going to monitor, it will collect that information and using the internet it will pass out to the hosted PRTG. So you have to provide internet only for this local probe or the remote probe. Okay, rest of the devices will talk internally using the LAN connection or the VPN connectivity, MPLS connectivity. Okay, and for the hosted PRTG, you get only username and the password, nothing. You have to just
Okay.
open the website xyz.com. Okay, this will be a unique URL. So every customer gets a different URL.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and in that case, you not to the customer need not to invest any kind of a hardware. So दो
Okay.
situations आती है, एक तो compliance होगा client को कि वो hosted के लिए जाना चाहता है या नहीं. दूसरा हार्डवेयर, अगर उनके पास हार्डवेयर नहीं है, मतलब वो नहीं खर्चा करना चाहते हार्डवेयर पे, ठीक है, देन वी हैव टू सजेस्ट देम टू गो फॉर अ होस्टेड पीआरटीजी. तो उसमें उनको हार्डवेयर इन्वेस्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है, ठीक है. The another thing that you said you have 5 customers, ठीक है. So let's assume
Yeah.
that this is your one customer. Local Pro भी आपका एक A customer है, ये आपका B customer है, Office 2 ये आपका B customer है, okay. Now there is no any connectivity because ये customer अलग है, ये customer अलग है, दोनों एक दूसरे के साथ connected नहीं रहने वाले, isn't it? Okay. So
Right.
what you have to do, this is a hosted PRTG. You have to install one remote probe here and the another here remote probe. तो ये remote probe क्या करेगा, it will directly talk to the hosted PRDG. ओके, मैंने वो कनेक्शन शो नहीं किया है क्योंकि वो इंफ्रा अलग था कस्टमर का, दैट्स वाई, ठीक है. तो ये रिमोट प्रोब विल टॉक टू द दिस होस्टेड पीआरटीजी डायरेक्टली एंड दिस लोकल प्रोब डायरेक्टली टू द होस्टेड पीआरटीजी एंड यू विल बी एबल टू मॉनिटर बोथ कस्टमर्स एट अ टाइम. ये भी और इनको भी आप मॉनिटर कर सकते हो, ओके. And you have to create a different what you can say groups for that, like customer A devices, customer B devices, so you can do a grouping as well, okay. So it will be easy for a monitoring. You will come to know that which devices belongs to customer A, which devices belongs to customer B. You will come to know that, and according to that you can create the notifications as well. Okay, I will showcase you once we jump to the product. I will showcase you. Before that, just let me know if you have any technical questions. So you have only queries in this session right now, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, fine, fine. So were you there in the first session? Did you attend that?
Uh, yes, I attended the first session.
Oh, okay, fine, fine. Not any issue.
Yeah.
I hope you got the clear idea how the on-premise and hosted PRDG works. If you have, let me know. Again, I can explain.
No,
एक
it's
बार फिर से
fine.
explain
It's
कर
clear.
सकती हो.
No, it's clear. Thank you.
ठीक है. Next query.
Next, I wanted to know about the pricing itself, but you're saying that
हाँ,
you're not into the
and
commercials.
yes. So the
Yeah.
commercials will be differ. The first loss will start from a 500 census. Minimum 500 के लिए जाना ही पड़ता है client को.
Mm-hmm.
दूसरा slot जो आता है वो 1000 का है, ठीक है.
1,000. Yeah.
1000, yes. Later on 2500, 5000, 10,000 ऐसे होता है. ज्यादा से ज्यादा 10,000 तक का लाइसेंस आता है. उसके बाद जो लाइसेंस स्टार्ट होता है वो डायरेक्टली 20,000 में आता है. तो कस्टमर की
Okay.
जो रिक्वायरमेंट होती है, और जो 20,000 का जो सेंसर का एडिशन है वो एंटरप्राइज में आता है, ठीक है. पीआरडीजी हैविंग 3 एडिशंस. वन इज नेटवर्क मॉनिटरिंग अप टू द 10,000. उसके आगे का है वो 20,000 से आगे स्टार्ट होता है, दैट विल बी अ एंटरप्राइज मॉडल, ठीक है, जो बहुत बड़े एनवायरनमेंट में यूज होता है,
Yeah.
ठीक है. एंड उसके बाद ये होस्टेड पीआरटीजी आता है. होस्टेड पीआरटीजी में भी लिमिटेशन है. यू कैन यूज मैक्सिमम 10,000 सेंसस, उससे ज्यादा आप यूज नहीं कर सकते हो,
Okay.
ठीक है. तो कोई कस्टमर, अगर आप ज्यादा से ज्यादा आप मॉनिटर करने वाले हो, ठीक है, 5 कस्टमर्स, लेट्स अज्यूम 5 कस्टमर्स को, तो हर एक कस्टमर कितना यूज करेगा वहां पे 2,000 सेंसस, ठीक है, मैक्सिमम 2,000 सेंसस. और अगर उसमें उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट फुलफिल नहीं होती है, ओके, इफ दे रिक्वायर्ड मोर, देन अगेन इट विल बी लिमिटेड. देन आपको और एक लाइसेंस बाय करना पड़ेगा और उसको अलग से मॉनिटर करना पड़ेगा. यू कैन नॉट मर्ज देम. आप 2 लाइसेंस को मर्ज नहीं कर सकते हो पीआरटीजी में,
Okay. Can you
ठीक
please
है.
repeat this point again?
Okay. Now you said that you would like to monitor 5 clients, okay, under the
Yeah.
one console. अगर आप होस्टेड पीआरटीजी के लिए जाते हो, ठीक है, जिसका लिमिटेशन है 10,000 सेंसर्स का, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
So how we are going to divide this 10,000 sensors among your 5 clients? So each client will get a 2,000 sensors, okay? Not
Right.
necessary कोई 500 यूज करेगा, कोई
Mm-hmm.
1,000 यूज करेगा, बट वी अज्यूम कि हाँ डेडिकेटेडली हम 2,000 5 क्लाइंट्स को दे सकते हैं, isn't it?
Yeah.
लेट्स अज्यूम नाउ कि कस्टमर की एक्स्ट्रा मतलब रिक्वायरमेंट बढ़ती है, उसका एनवायरनमेंट बड़ा हो गया, ठीक है, उसके और एक्स्ट्रा डिवाइसेस ऐड हो गए एंड दे रिक्वायर्ड मोर सेंसर्स। यू डोंट हैव अ मोर सेंसर्स नाउ, आपके 10,000 सेंसर्स ऑक्यूपाइड हो चुके हैं। देन इन दैट केस आप उसमें एक्स्ट्रा सेंसर्स ऐड नहीं कर सकते हो। यू हैव टू
Okay.
परचेस न्यू लाइसेंस। आपको क्लाउड का और एक नया लाइसेंस लेना पड़ेगा और सेपरेटली, मतलब सेपरेटली यानी कि एक अलग लॉगिन से उनको मॉनिटर करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है। देन अगर आप ये सोच रहे हो कि आई विल मर्ज बोथ ऑफ द लाइसेंसेस, मैं पहला जो मेरा क्लाउड का लाइसेंस है वो और नया लाइसेंस दोनों को मर्ज करके एक ही कंसोल के अंडर मॉनिटर कर सकते हो, तो वैसा पॉसिबल नहीं है, ठीक है।
Okay.
आप दो लाइसेंस को मर्ज नहीं कर सकते पीआरटीजी में, ठीक
Uh,
है। तो वो आपका थोड़ा टास्क बढ़ जाएगा। तो अगर आपको
hmm.
लग रहा है कि कोई क्लाइंट्स की रिक्वायरमेंट बहुत बड़ी है, ठीक है, देन यू हैव टू समहाउ कन्विंस कस्टमर टू गो फॉर अ ऑन प्रीमाइस, जिसमें आप
Okay.
फिर 20,000 30,000 50,000 तक भी जा सकते हो। मतलब अब
Okay.
तक हमारा सबसे बड़ा क्लाइंट वो 50,000 तक का है।
Okay. Ma'am.
तो उतना हार्डवेयर रिसोर्सेज भी देना पड़ेगा क्लाइंट को, ऑब्वियसली।
Yes. Hmm.
ऐसा है। ये आपको, अगर आप मॉनिटर करें तो आपको देना पड़ेगा।
Hmm.
हम्म। नहीं नहीं, सिर्फ क्वांटिटी पे ही, डिवाइस का काउंट कितना है या उसको कितने सेंसर्स रिक्वायर्ड है उस पे डिपेंड है। तो उसके मतलब परफॉर्मेंस वाइज वगैरह ऐसा कोई लिमिटेशन नहीं है, हार्डवेयर रिसोर्सेज के वाइज कोई भी लिमिटेशन नहीं है उसका, ठीक है। क्लाउड के लिए क्यों लिमिटेशन है? क्योंकि क्लाउड जो है अभी एडब्ल्यूएस पे होस्टेड है पीआरटीजी, ठीक है। उसका पे करना पड़ता है ना, पीआरटीजी को पे करना पड़ता है, ठीक है। तो उसने उन्होंने एक लिमिटेशन सेट करके रखा है, ऐसा नहीं है कि वो आगे एक्सटेंड नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन अब तक का जो उनका ऑब्जर्वेशन रहेगा इम्प्लीमेंटेशन का कि क्लाउड के जो क्लाइंट्स है वो 10,000 से ज्यादा नहीं जा रहे होंगे, तो उन्होंने अब तक ये लिमिट सेट कर दिया होगा, ऐसा। क्योंकि
Okay.
हम
Ma'am.
एक्स्ट्रा चार्जेस क्लाइंट से नहीं लेते हैं होस्टेड पीआरटीजी जगह, एज आई बिलीव कि दोनों की प्राइसिंग सेम है, आई एम नॉट श्योर। ऑन प्रीमाइस और पीआरटीजी दोनों की शायद थोड़ा बहुत डिफरेंस है, ज्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं है प्राइसिंग में। तो वी कैन अज्यूम कि हम एक्स्ट्रा पैसे नहीं लेते हैं क्लाउड के लिए, तो वो पैसलर को पे करना पड़ता है एडब्ल्यूएस को, क्लाउड के लिए, क्लाउड स्पेस के लिए।
Okay. Okay. Ma'am. One thing, can you please provide us with the PPT that you just showed for our
ओके
reference? Like,
ओके, ईमेल पे चाहिए?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
श्योर, मिल जाएगी थोड़ी देर में, ठीक है?
Okay. Thank you so much. And
मेरा नाम
also, ma'am,
निकाल
if you
देना वहां
could,
से।
okay, thank you.
ठीक है।
Also, if you can align a call with somebody who can explain the pricing to us.
ओके, प्राइसिंग आपको मेल पे ही मिलेगा। अगर आपको इस सेशन में उनसे बात करनी तो आई नीड टू रिक्वेस्ट हिम टू जॉइन अ सेशन, ठीक है। प्राइसिंग एक्चुअली सेंसर काउंट पे डिपेंड रहेगा, आपको एक सेंसर काउंट उनको बताना पड़ेगा कि 500 या 1000 का कोट, मतलब यू आर रिक्वेस्टिंग फॉर अ कोट फॉर 500,000 सेंसर, देन ही विल गिव यू, ऐसा। अलॉन्ग विद उसमें फिर आपका मेंटेनेंस चार्जेस आते हैं, सपोर्ट चार्जेस भी, एंड देन क्या होता है उसमें, और एक दो चीजें जीएसटी वगैरह ऐड करके फिर अमाउंट मिलती है आपको। तो वो सेशन में कनेक्ट भी हो गए तो भी आपको एक प्रॉपर आइडिया नहीं दे पाएंगे, तो ये सारी
Okay.
चीजें ईमेल पे होती है। आपको प्राइसिंग ही जानना है या प्राइसिंग कैसे डील करते हैं वो जानना है, तो आई कैन आस्क हिम टू जॉइन अ सेशन।
It would be good, ma'am, if you could ask him to join the session so that we can discuss about how the pricing should be done. Okay.
ठीक है, होल्ड ऑन।
Yeah, sure.
Okay, he's going to join a session. Mr. Suresh. Give us 2 minutes. Mr. Suresh supposed to join a session.
Yes, sure.
Okay. Till that, if you have any technical query, we can discuss on.
No, ma'am, I think we're good on the technical.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, Miss Jayantika, Mr. Suresh have been joined to the session. Hello, Suresh sir.
Hello, can
Hello,
you hear
sir.
me?
Good afternoon. Yes,
Hi,
yes.
hi, good afternoon.
Hello, sir. Okay,
Hi.
so team is there and they're having some questions on pricing part actually. How maybe how
Yes,
to
yes,
pitch to
please.
customer.
Hello, team. Hi, Jantika.
Yeah. Miss Jayantika, are you there?
Yes, ma'am, I'm here. Hi, sir, how are you?
I'm good, Jantika. Thank you. How about you?
I'm fine, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, tell me, Jantika. Hi, tell me, team. What is your exact query?
So actually, my exact query is like we as a service provider are going to provide PRTG for the NOC monitoring.
Correct.
Yeah. So what will be the pricing and stuff for us so that we can propose it to the customer also?
So, Jantika, I hope Deep would have explained about the licensing, how it works, right?
Yeah.
The question which you are asking is very generic. Okay. So when we talk about the commercial, we would require certain informations. Okay.
Okay.
So it is
Yeah.
how many devices you would like to monitor. So once we get those information, we will suggest the number of sensors. Based on the number of sensors, the commercial will be defined.
Okay.
Okay. So since you are asking some information, do you have the device in details? How many devices you are looking for it?
So not yet, but for reference, can we take 15